Hello dear students. Today's topic is concept of methods in Java. And the part which I'll be discussing today is method overloading, a very important topic. Let us see what is method overloading. Well, it is a concept in which a class can have more than one methods or functions of the same name. Remember, more than one methods or functions of the same name, but having different parameter lists. Well, parameter list means the function signature part. And if you remember the principles of object-oriented programming, one of them is polymorphism. And through method overloading, we implement polymorphism. Polymorphism itself means existing in multiple forms. So we can see many methods having the same name existing together. So method overloading implements polymorphism. Let us have a glance at this example. You see the name of the class is ABC and two functions that are defined here have the same name, compute. But one is without parameters and another one has one integer type h as parameter. So there is a difference between the two on the basis of function signature. In one, the function signature is absent, and in another one, the function signature consists of at least one parameter. Now, let us have a look at a proper example. You see it's a program consisting of two functions, both having the name compute. That is, clearly it is a case of method overloading. And one consists of one integer type parameter int s and another one consists of two integer type parameters int l comma int b. In one, squares area is being calculated and in another one, rectangles area is being calculated. Then we have a main function in which we are creating an object of area class, and through that object we are calling each of these two functions one by one. Now when compute function with 10 as its parameter is called, then automatically compute with int s as its parameter gets activated. And when compute function with 8, 6 as two parameters is called, then compute function with int l, int b gets activated and it's called. The best match is selected by Java itself. One parameter, so function with one parameter gets invoked, and when we pass two parameters of proper data type, then another function of the same data types gets activated. So if someone asks that when two functions have the same name, then which one will be activated and when? So the answer is clearly there on the screen. You can see when we pass the correct data type, the correct number of parameters, the appropriate function gets invoked. The best match is selected by Java itself. And hence the answer is there on the screen as per the code. The best way to understand a concept is by going through an assignment related to it. So, when you read the question, then pause the video. Understand the question properly and then solve it in your register. After that, you can play the video and check the solution to see whether you have done it correctly or not, and also what percentage of your code matches the correct solution. So when you read the question, just say three different calculations have to be carried out. One related to cube, another one sphere, and the third one related to cuboid. And their respective formulae are also given. And this question you have to solve. The program that you have to make should have method overloading in it, which means the functions should have the same name, but a difference should be there in their function signature part. The name of the function you can take as compute. So I have taken one more function main, in which the object of volume class is declared, and through this object compute function is called 3 times. But these 3 compute functions, they actually have a different parameter list. When we pass 10.0, then the first function gets activated, compute having double side as a parameter, and when we pass no parameters, then obviously the third function that is defined here gets activated, and when we pass 10, 4, 6 as 3 parameters, then obviously the function defined with double length, double breadth and double height as the 3 parameters gets activated. As per the best match, these functions are selected by Java and activated. So as you see the output, just notice the comments that are written in blue on the right hand side, because these values are as per the values passed to the various functions. Please check these values and check the program and its solution once again. And as you go through another assignment, please repeat the process, pause the video, read the question, solve it in the register, and after that only play the video to get the solution. This program also looks like the previous program, but it has a small change in it. It has been converted to a menu-driven program. That means it should work as per the user's choice. Calculations are same, the overloaded function is again the same, compute. You just have to write down a menu for the calling of these functions, and that you can do in main function. So in the left hand side part of the program, you can see minor changes, as a scanner class object is being created to accept the value in the function. Function signatures are taken the same way as they were in the previous program. But a major change is there in main function. As you can see, after creating the object, a menu is being provided and user is being asked to enter his or her choice. So if choice is 1, then one function is being called. If choice is 2, then another one. Choice is 3, then another one. And if other than 1, 2, 3, any other choice is entered by the user, then for that also there is a provision in this program, that is else part, print invalid choice. So once again read the question and then check the solution. I hope that this video proves to be fruitful for you in understanding the given topic. Thank you. Keep practicing and enjoy programming.